Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's review, we'll be taking a closer look at the best massage gun deep tissue percussion on the market, the Mebak 3 massage gun. Whether you're an athlete, a desk worker, or someone simply looking to relieve muscle tension at home, this is a device that's making waves for all the right reasons. Let's dive right in. When it comes to performance, the Mebak 3 sets itself apart with its powerful specs. It's built to handle serious muscle relief, with a 12mm amplitude and an impressive 55 pounds of stall force. That means it doesn't just vibrate on the surface, it actually gets deep into your muscles where real tension hides. The device includes a smart LED pressure sensor that gives you visual feedback on how much pressure you're applying, helping you stay within that optimal massage range every single time. The gun comes equipped with 7 different massage heads, designed to target everything from large muscle groups to specific trigger points. Whether it's your shoulders, back, legs, or even smaller muscles, the Mebak 3 gives you flexibility. With 5 speed levels ranging from 640 to 3200 RPM, it's customizable to your body's needs on any given day. Portability is another area where this massage gun shines. Weighing in at just 2.1 pounds, and 3.3 pounds with the carrying case, it's light enough to take to the gym, office, or on a trip. And speaking of noise levels, it runs surprisingly quiet. Clocking in at just 35 to 50 decibels, it's quieter than a conversation, meaning you can use it without disturbing others, whether you're in your living room or your office. This massage gun was clearly designed with the user in mind. From its ergonomic handle to the compact, sturdy case, it's made to be both practical and durable. But what really stands out is how it makes recovery feel like a treat rather than a chore. It's not just for athletes. If you're someone who spends hours at a desk or finds yourself dealing with stiff neck and back pain, the Mebak 3 offers real relief. The way it tackles knots and tightness after a long day, or an intense workout, is genuinely impressive. The build quality is solid. It's made from durable plastic, feels premium in the hand, and the attachments fit snugly. Even after extended use, it doesn't heat up or feel cheap. The brushless motor ensures a longer lifespan while maintaining consistent power. The battery life is strong too, lasting for multiple sessions on a single charge. In terms of value, you're getting a professional-grade tool that rivals much more expensive competitors without breaking the bank. And because it's verified by Amazon's transparency program, you can be confident that you're getting an authentic product every time. If you're looking for a deep tissue massage gun that's powerful, quiet, reliable, and portable, the Mebak 3 is a top-tier choice. It's versatile enough for both daily use and targeted recovery, whether you're managing chronic tension or just need post-workout relief. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions or experiences with the Mebak 3 in the comments. Until next time, take care of those muscles, and we'll see you in the next video.